back to another makeup video. If you're new to my channel, you are so welcome. Please feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you always get notified each time I upload a new video. And if you're already subscribed, you're not new to my channel, you're so welcome. Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll be doing Nomani motivation makeup look. This is an easy, just kind of flawless look. So guys, let's get into the video. And to start out my face, I did apply my Kiss Beauty primer, and so I just used my hands to diffuse the primer right into my skin. So what a primer does is that it acts as a base for all the makeup products that you're going to use, and also helps with the longevity of the makeup. Yes, so after that I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna put all the products, the names, so that you guys can see what I was working with right on the right corner of the screen, so you guys can see what I was working with. So to do my eyebrows, I went in with my spoolie, and now I'm just filling in my brows using the Kiss Beauty gel eyeliner. So from that little palette, from that little box, or I'm just using the powder product. We use black eyeshadow to fill in my eyebrows. So I'm just making sure to follow through with the natural eyebrow shape. And now to clean out my brows, I'm going to use Iman Pro Concealer 03, that's the shade, to clean out my brows. So I'm going to use one concealer for both beneath my brows and also above my eyebrows, and then I'm going to use a flat brush to just clean out all the excess products. So you guys have been asking me for an updated eyebrow tutorial. I have one, and you can also use the same video to see how I do my eyebrows. It's very easy, it's very simple, and it's very detailed. Just follow through what I'm doing, and if you don't get it right the first time, just keep on trying. You end up getting it right sooner than you think. So after I'm done cleaning out the extra concealer, the excess concealer, I'm just gonna go in with my foundation and use a damp beauty blender to blend my foundation. So I'm gonna post this look on Instagram and on Facebook, so if you're not following me, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and all the products that I'll be using will be down in the description box, as well as my Instagram, a direct link to my Instagram account, so you guys can go right there, like my pictures, like my posts, follow me, do whatever it is that you want to do on my page. You're so free and so welcome, even to leave comments about this video, how you find this video, if it's helpful, if you like it, feel free to leave a comment. So with this foundation, you guys don't want to go in with a lot of it because you're gonna fail to blend it. So a little bit goes a long way. You can just add on a little bit of some drops, and then if you feel it's not enough, you can just keep on adding a bit more and a bit more until you're satisfied with the coverage of the foundation. So this is how I do my foundation. And the one that I'm using is Naked Focus Beauty 8-in-1 Magic Foundation. So this foundation can actually be used on 8 different skin tones. It dries nude and it's very perfect if you're a makeup artist who does makeup on different clients, because you're gonna have people with different skin tones, and if you have got this foundation, it's going to work. Trust me, it's magical. So what I was doing here, I actually went in with a powder brush, which is very close um, to my natural skin tone. So it's not even showing here on screen, but in person it was showing a little bit. So I decided to go in with some with blush first, and then highlighting and contouring later, so that everything will just diffuse and be in one place. So for highlighting, I'm using the same concealer I used to clean out my brows. So I'm just gonna be using it beneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my pupils, chin, and my forehead. And then I'm gonna use the same damp beauty blender to diffuse the concealer, to blend out the concealer. And you wanna make sure that the blender does not have a lot of water, because everything is gonna get all messed up. It should just be damp, but not too damp. I hope you guys know what I mean. So now the same thing should be done with this concealer, because a little bit go a long way. If you apply too much of that concealer, especially for a melanated girl, it's gonna be too much. And also apply a little bit of some concealer beneath my cheekbone, just to create a reverse contour. And now that everything is well blended, I'm loving how my skin is looking right now. I love how flawless I look even before I finish with all my face makeup. It looks beautiful. I love it. So what I didn't today what I did today was I first of all contoured my face before applying um the matte finish powder. So I went in with contour, and the contour that I was using was the one from Gulflower palette. I used the darkest shade from this palette and as well mixed it with a little bit of some black eyeshadow from the Kiss Beauty black eyeshadow that I showed you guys at first. So I was just going with a little bit and just building up on what I was working on. So for baking and setting my concealer, I did last deliberately because I wanted the concealer to fit in on my face. I don't know why I did, but I loved it, and this way my makeup stayed a bit longer, much longer. So I can't remember the powder, the finish powder which I used for setting my concealer and as well baking. I've tried going to my memory box, but I still couldn't pick up the name. But you guys shouldn't worry because I'm gonna look for it. I'm gonna look for it and then I'll link it in the description box. I'm going to leave it down below, so you guys make sure to check out the description bar because everything that I'm using in this tutorial will be listed down below. And now that my skin, my face is well set and lit and beautiful and flawless, I'm loving this natural look already, you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna start working on my eyes after contouring the nose, of course. I'm gonna start working on my eyes, my eye makeup, and as usual, I'm gonna put up the product which I used. If I don't, I'm still going to leave it down in the description bar. So for a transition shade, I used a powder foundation, which is just like very close to my skin tone, and I built up the color from the Professional Matte eyeshadow palette. And then the look was just pretty simple. From there I just went in with a very simple wing liner as well as just some highlight. And for my lips, I'm using the Kylie pencil to line my lips, and then later on I'm just going to use my concealer to fill in the lips. You guys are gonna see how I'm going to do it so that I can create a nude lip color. So I already have my wig on. I'm just intensifying the transition shade, and then later on I'm going to use the highlighter from the Gulflower contour and highlight palette just to highlight make a half cut crease on my eyes. So I decided to bake my face with a setting powder. That is why my face is looking like this at the moment, but I'm gonna dust it off later after I do a half cut piece on my eyes. So this what I did was I used a highlighter from the Gulflower contour and highlight palette, and I just applied it directly on my eyelid, and that was it, you guys. That was it. This video is very simple, very easy to follow, very beginner friendly. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope I didn't bore you. I myself, I enjoyed making this tutorial for you. I enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to do more tutorials for you. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the post notification bell. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, like my post right there, and I'll see you guys in another video. I hope you guys come back. I know you will. Mwah. Thank you.